Okay, so we're at the position now where we can close up the book internally and hide the repair work that we've done. So I'm comfortable with the tension in these twines here, and I've trimmed them to size because some of them are quite long previously. And I'm now at the position where I can glue down this piece of fabric. So I'm going to take off about between 1/4 and 1/2 of an inch because I want the twine to be covered. But I don't want the fabric to go any further into where we've got the end paper, just here. Okay. Yeah, that's how I want it. That's looking good. Get rid of that. So what I'm now going to do is put on a reasonable amount. In actual fact, I'm going to just use another book here as a support for my work. And we're going to concentrate the glue actually on the points where the twine is, because I want the twine to actually really stay in situ. And with the fabric itself, I don't want the fabric sort of poking out, so don't be afraid just to taper it a little bit like this. So that we don't have fabric showing through where it shouldn't. And okay. Just let the fabric take the glue, and as it becomes wet, it'll become a little less resistant to you, and then you can sort of work it in and around the twine, which is obviously something we want to happen. But be careful not to... This is quite good in the sense that we have the complete end paper still in place. So I don't want sort of any gobs of glue getting on the end paper itself, but there we go. So let's see how... This is one area where the glue can be used reasonably generously, unlike most other areas that we've been using glue so far. Particularly in this section, which is the gutter. The fabric will just add a little bit of, or the fabric and the glue, I should say, will just add a little bit of extra stiffness. And we'll let that dry. I mean, we'd already reattached, as you see here, this title page. A couple of other pages as well. So that's looking fine. So, and then once that dries, we'll then turn our attention to how I'm going to tackle this end paper. And I really want to preserve the pattern, so I think that's going to be quite important here. And then obviously we do the same on the other side.